The first step today, I need you to fold your paper in half. So we're taking it the long ways across. So we're making it like a hamburger. Line up those edges and then press. And then open it back up. This line tells us where the center of our paper is. We're going to be drawing symmetrically. So that means what we draw on this side, we're going to draw on this side as well. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a circle and another circle with a little bit of space in between. So you can see that half the circle is on one side and half the circle is on the other. This circle should be a little bit bigger than this circle here. Next, you're going to do a curved line that goes in between the two circles. It connects the big circle to the little circle. Let's erase the part of the circle that is on the inside of those curved lines. Let's go ahead and add our two eyes. These are going to be in the middle. So where those curved lines were, we're going to do one eye on each side of that folded line. We can do our little cutesy eyes by doing a little half circle moon on one side, half moon on the other, and filling that in. We have the nostrils of our reindeer, so we're going to do a skinny oval and fill it in. Skinny oval on each side. So far our reindeer is symmetrical. It's the same on both sides. We're going to stay at the top half. We're going to do a line that goes across and up, like a little bit of a hook. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, so a long line with a hook. Right now we're going to do a wavy line, so I'm going to go do several little bumps till I reach my head. And do the same on this side, a wavy line with lots of bumps until I reach the head. Okay, let's make the body of our reindeer by doing a line that goes, a diagonal line that goes from the head down on both sides. Next, I'm going to give you a circle tracer. We're going to set those about 3 times. It's going to be a little bit of a squeeze to get 3 of them on there on each side. So I set it down and I'm going to trace on the inside. Then I'm going to move it somewhere else. Trace the inside. I should be able to do it 3 times on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Next, let's go ahead and do a little square on top of each circle. These are going to be ornaments that are hanging from the antlers. All right, this last step is a little tricky. So we're going to come from one side of the square and we're going to go on top of our antler till we reach the end of our antler. Then we're going to pretend that this is the hanging loop. We're going to pretend it continues on here. And when we hit the other side of our antler, we're going to press down and touch back. This is called overlapping. The antler is on top of the ribbon. Let's try that again. So I'm going to go all the way up on top till I hit the top of the antler. Then I'm going to pretend, lift my pencil up till I hit the end of the antler. Then I'm going to press down and draw back. Now this one, I'm going to go behind the ornament. So watch, I'm pressing down. When I hit the ornament, I lift up, I pretend that it's continuing, and then I press down again until it hits on top. Then I'm going to pretend, and then press down. We're going to do that for every ornament. Our reindeer looks pretty good. You're going to get a bag of oil pastels and go ahead and go over all of your pencil lines. So I'm going on top of every pencil line.